What does innovation look like? What does excellence in your back office look like? These are some of the questions that I ask manufacturing finance leaders when preparing for the Manufacturing Finance Summit 2018, taking place on the 16th of May in Oxford. The real difference with the Manufacturing Finance Summit 2018 is it's not a traditional conference as you're probably used to seeing. We're not going to be sat in a room with information pushed from speakers. We're going to be huddled around a series of interactive roundtables where you have the opportunity to decide who you're going to be sitting next to, what you're going to be discussing. We think it's a fantastic format that's going to change the way that people envisage value they derive from attending events. For more information about you and your team getting involved with the Manufacturing Finance Summit 2018, please see the link in the description below. I look forward to seeing you and the rest of your team in Oxford on the 16th of May.